Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Hey, you asked for it and I'm going to give it to you. You asked to see more collaboration videos and you also asked to see if I would put the other videos that I've been doing for other channels on this channel so that you can watch it here. Now, so you're going to see some Globe Trekker videos and you're also going to see some Gospel Mission videos. I put up a poll in the community box and you clicked on, I want to see more of these and I want to see more of these. So get ready to enjoy. This is one of my favorites.
March is looking good. We're coming up on a nominal.
Okay, all flight controllers, go for landing. Retro, go, righto, go, right, so, control, go, Delcom, go, GNC, go, go for landing.
Welcome to Globe Trekker's how-to tutorial on mounting the brush guard system to the Globe Trekker habitat. Start the brush guard mounting process by preparing the brush guard bracketry by installing the stainless steel 80/20 hardware that is provided in your kit. Very loosely fit the 80/20 nuts to the bolts. Later, if the brackets will not slip into place with gentle persuasion, back the bolts off the nuts even further. The tolerances between the bracket and habitat frame are tight, so loose hardware is essential. The brush guards have been designed with an 80/20 channel for ease of mounting and dismounting should the need ever occur. They are also engineered for durability and high strength. With these built-in strengthening ribs, it keeps the extrusion strong while maintaining a lightweight overall structure. 90-degree corner weldments and double 45-degree departure angle weldments have been engineered to ease the assembly process while maintaining structural strength. There are a lot of mounting brackets, so ensure they are ready for mounting with 80/20 hardware loosely installed. An engineering print will be provided with your kit to identify where each bracket will be installed. Begin mounting the brush guard 90-degree corners and, if applicable, your departure angle double 45-degree brush guards first.
In addition to protecting the habitat, also double duties as even additional reinforcement for the box. Best thing to do, since you're working with angles, start in the middle, make sure you're nice and perpendicular and flat, make sure you're equal distance here, do any kind of adjustment you need like this. Therefore, tighten the center out, center the bracket on the end, tighten it up, do all the corners, and then do all of your lineals. You may have to trim to fit, it's okay.
Once all the brush guard corners have been properly installed with equalized spacing from the habitat, carefully measure the vertical distance between upper and lower brush guard corners. The brush guard rail has been cut a little long for habitat assembly variance tolerances. You will need to cut the brush guard to the exact size you have measured. Do this with a chop saw that has a fine-tooth blade using a slow feed rate into the aluminum material. Using the bracket 80/20 hardware, attach the vertical brush guards into place. Once all the vertical brush guards are in place, measure and cut your horizontal brush guards and mount them using the stainless steel 80/20 hardware. The longer spans between corner weldments will have one or more midpoint brackets depending on the length of the habitat. Follow your engineering prints for exact positioning. Likewise, if you are installing the Globe Trekker patent-pending access ladder convertible stairs combo, a specialized kit is installed that has additional brackets and brush guard end caps.
We'll be able to put VHB tape here, put this onto the brush guard, close off the tube so we create a sealed environment so we don't worry about water and moisture, freezing rain, any of that kind of stuff. And then we actually have a weep hole in here, so if we're in this orientation like on the lower part, it will actually allow the water to flow out.
We at Globe Trekker know you have many choices in the overland expedition market, so we hope this tutorial helps you decide to choose us for your next epic build. The brush guards are an awesome upgrade and one of many ways to best utilize the built-in functionality and convenience that comes with every Globe Trekker habitat. For the look you want that turns heads and sets you head and shoulders above the rest, ask for Globe Trekker by name. For more information on Globe Trekker products, visit our website at www.rvglobetrekker.com. And be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for updates and even more educational videos.
I think that you can agree that that is epic. Those brush guards are absolutely amazing. But you know, there's another thing that is really pretty cool that I really haven't shown too much of. And that's, say you have this extrusion and you know, you see how this has like a little dark area here, a dark line to it. You can easily put any kind of thing in there, wiring, LED lights, anything that you want to. And then you just cover it up with this snap into place. And it covers the whole thing up. This stuff comes in clear as well as different colors. So you could put LED lights back behind here and shine it down from the brush guards. I mean, wouldn't that be cool? I really love that idea anyway. I mean, to each your own. Maybe you guys think that that's kind of silly, but I think it's really, really cool. But anyway, this snap ring goes in there and covers up these. So if you don't want this line here, or if you're trying to hide some wires, it's very easily done. Pop, snaps it in, good to go. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this. There's going to be more to come. Until next time, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.